वंदे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनं मनोहरम् अद्वैत प्रकटीकृतो नरहरिपृष्ठस्वरूपप्रियो नित्यानंद सनातन गति श्रीरूपहृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपति गदाधर रसोल्लासी जगन्नाथ सांगोपांग सपार्षदं सजयतां देवः सचिनंदन श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैं दंडवत प्रणाम to Lotus feet of our Gurudev निखिल वरिष्ठ विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज, निखिल वरिष्ठ विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज और श्री रूपानंद गुरुपार्गस वैष्णव। So we are hearing from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Jagannath Rath Yatra Mahotsav, where Mahaprabhu saw his mood, what he wants, what his feelings, what his taste. These all things Rupa Goswami heard mouth of Mahaprabhu. What heard and what in mind, both he read, understood. So Rupa Goswami called Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapam. He established Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mind, desire, thought. And very humbly, what Mahaprabhu's thought, Manovishta, is showing how much Radharani's prem had for Krishna. Radha Yappanai Mahimati Krishna. This thing Krishna accepting is so high. This cause he is saying Priya Priya Sangahina, Priya Priya Sangabina, Priya Priya Sangabina Nahi Jiye, ये सत प्रमाण। मोर दशा सुने जावे तार कई दशा हवे यही भय दोहे राखे प्राण। So Priya means Radhika. She is so near and dear to Krishna. Radharani so much love Krishna, Krishna so much love Radha. So that prem, that bhav, understood by Rupa Goswami's mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And what he understood, same thing is described on saying, I am Rup, so small. But all these tattvas manifest by me. So don't look to me, just look to qualities of Krishna, qualities of Radhika. अभिभक्त मत प्रकृति लघु रूपाद बुधा विधार्थी सिद्धार्थान हरि गुणमयी कृतिरियम. This glories of Krishna's glories of Radhikas give to all jivas siddhis, your bhav, nourishment. Your all anartha destroy. If anyone can say you are a very small person, you describing this thing, how can purify to us? The Rupa Goswami giving an example, one low caste Pulindas, they stay in forest, and sometime for fire, they take some two woods and rubbing, like Brahmins in Jagyas, no? Similarly, doing like that. And from that fire coming. So that fire, if inside anyone put some gold, then that fire cannot purify, cannot take his own dirt, cannot give gold shining. He will say, I manifest by low caste Pulinda, so I will not purify you. Fire never said like that. So Krishna's quality is like that. The Hamritan. So this thing takes shelter, this all katha, this all bhav. How is this saying so nectarious? Sudhanam Chandrinam Madhurmo Unmad Damani Tadhana Radhadi Parnay Gan Sare Survitam Samantat Santapudgama Visam Sansar Sarani Parnitam Te Krishnam Haratu Hari Leela Sikari. This Radha Madhav's Leela Kathas, this bhav, what Mahaprabhu is talking, Priya Priya Sangahina Priya Priya. Saying this is more nectarious than nectar, more tasty. Sudhanam Chandrinam Madhurmu Madhadamani. Nectar many places coming, from moon rays nectar coming. Milk is one type nectar. Food is one type nectar. On churning ocean, there came one nectar. That nectar, how much give taste? Very hard to tell, but so big fight came. Before drinking, then Asuras too much fighting, could not get on fight. So much this nectar's hard, laboring, but nothing. Saying this any nectar, no compared to that nectar. This Sukadeva Goswami not give that nectar to demigods. They try to change this nectar, that nectar or not. So any madhurya, any taste, any sweetness, this Radha Krishna's Leela Katha is befitting, no comparable. Any materials, Nayak Nayikas, what they are doing, how they have love, this love or that love cannot compare. Because it's not ordinary love like Nalda Vyantis and Sakuntalas and Dushyant and some and others. Because they are Radhikas, so much pranay for Krishna. This love, Pradhana Radha Pranay Dhan Sare Survita. This nectar's Radhika's pranay so thick, and this is there, so making this more attractive, more fragrance. And who is Akhil Rasamrita Murti Krishna is absorbed to that. His ras. But when looking Radhika's this mood, pranaya so thick, then he become rasik, like to taste that ras. That time he no remember own ras. Rupa Goswami is saying he's so much ras. अखिल रसामृत मूर्ति परश्रीमिरः रुचिरुद तारका पाली कलित श्यामा ललितो राधा प्रयाण विधुर जय. Krishna's Akhil Rasamrit Murtis, deities of all rasas. Everyone milking from him ras. Mallanam Asanir Nirnam Narvara Strinam Aswaro Murtiman Gopanam Swajanma Satam Chiti Bujam Sasta Swapitrosisu. Mritu Bhoj Pater Virad Vidusam Tatvam Param Jogi Nam Vrishni Nam Paradeva Teti Vidito Rangam Gata Saga. When Krishna Baldev Prabhu are walking, wrestling area of Kansas in Mathuras, there are all types devotees, moods people are seeking. Mukh ras and Gaun ras, all rases persons are there. Some Bir rases looking, because 7 is Gaun ras, 5 is Men ras. Gaun ras people when looking Bir ras, Mal, wrestler, they look Krishna not soft. Krishna is very soft, more than lotus petal, more soft, more than butter. But they looking, he is like thunderbolt, iron, pillars. This time. So which type how? They looking that type Krishna. Mallana Masin Nirnam Narvar. Kings are thinking many things. He is ordinary man, ordinary boy. But better than us, higher than us. This time, Narvar. Ladies are looking like direct manifestation of Cupid, Asanir. Gopanam Swajan, all gopis looks like this my beloved. Friends looking is my friends, father looking my son, Das looking my Prabhus, who are was there this time, all looking. Kans looking death, some looking Virat Purus, yogis like this. So it's all rasas shelter. All rasas subject and also shelter both. So died Krishna's was Akhil Rasamrit Murti. For tasting to supreme ras, that called Madhurya ras. 4 ras, Das Sakbasar Singar Chari ras, all ras is controlling to Krishna's. But Madhurya ras, if neutrally think, then that is top. So there Krishna more control. This thing, this ras, Krishna has one type riddles. Try to understand, but no understand. So Jugas testing this ras, but still Krishna thinking Radhaya Parmay Mahima Ki Krishna. Discussing Radha Prayan Vidhur Jayate. Krishna's his glory is topmost when is so much love to Radha. Because Radhika's for Krishna's service, what not doing? How many moods is servicing Krishna cannot find. And one Radhika's, but she know alone herself manifesting parties. Swapach, Vipach, Tatastha, no neutral and what for? Suhirdapach. This all came from Radhika. Why this creating all sad? Because give to Krishna so taste. Krishna's all type desire fulfilled. Krishna want many types. When I beat Radhika, how she happy? If I go somewhere or again return, then how she angry? Krishna like this all test one place get. This cause Radhika called Krishna Kida Puja Basti Nagari. Krishna's all type pujas, all type sevas, rather than is like cities, everything you can get all service, all seva from her. So Jiva Goswami is saying Parikar Vaisishtya and Bhagavad Vaisishtya. When Krishna sheltered to Radhika so much to love to Radharani, then he is Bhagavata so much rising and defeating to all Bhagavans. Because every Bhagavan is not doing like that, how much doing this Bhagavan? When Krishna became daughter, did he play any flute? You heard daughters playing flute? Kachap Bhagavan. Daughter, what called? When is Kachap not playing any flute? Matsya, Nirsingh Bhagavan not doing any Ras Leela, any dance or Ramchandra. There's no Ras Leelas. Nirsingh Bhagavan just break to Hiranyakashipu this much Leelas. But Nirsingh Bhagavan and any Bhagavan not taking some chandan or make some art, no? On cheek, on head. You like to see that art was Singar, but know how much is decorated. So these all qualities came Krishna because Krishna so much loved to Radharani. Radha Prayan Vidhur Jayati. Rupa Goswami is saying, what is Radhika's glories? When this Krishna loved to Radharani, then he's become Vidhus. Vidhu means he's dancing all avatars' head. Because every avatar is looking, then they thinking, that much we cannot go. So all Leela avatar, Juga avatar, Manmantra avatar, Satyavesa avatar, but they are below to Krishna, no one can diet much to. How much is tasting to Ras? This cause Kaviraj Goswami is saying, Rasik Sekhare Krishna, Paramakam. All avatars are Rasik, but Krishna is Rasik Sekhar. Every avatar has some ras, some their bhav, some bhaktas, mood, but not like Radhikas, not like Krishna's. Also so Karun. All rasas tasting and also distributing, giving. Prem ras nirjas karit aswadan or rag marge loke bhakti karite prachar. One side tasting, another side also distributing. But this all ras, all mood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distribute through Rupa Goswami. Mahaprabhu's many devotees, many followers, but Mahaprabhu first accept to Rupa Goswami. And there, Mahaprabhu give whole mercy. All power transferred to him. No satisfied, then also his devotees Nityananda Prabhu's Advaita Acharya, Raya Ramanand, Swarup Damodar, Haridas Thakur and others, great devotees, Mahaprabhus, requesting to them all give to my roots mercy. Or he can describe Brajas Bhaktis, Brajas Bhav. So all giving him mercy, so much mercy. So Rupa Goswami is our line, our Guru Parampara is the first Acharya, first Guru. Even his elder brother Sanatan Goswami also accepting Rupa is my Guru. I am under Rupa Goswami Rupa. all 6 Goswamis. No only that, all another lines, another moods devotees, if Nityananda Prabhu's line, Advaita Charles Prabhu line, or another any previous Acharya's line whose devotees came, after that they also follow Rupa. They also Rupano. Even your Dasras, Sakras, Basalras, or Madhuras, all here Rupano. This cause Param Gurudev Bhakti Pragan Kesar Goswami said, just so this no article. Many people are thinking Rupanu Bhajan means only Parakiya Madhuras. This is okay. But no only that. Just only one ras people can do Rupanu, another ras Das Sak Basal cannot do Rupanu. If who are thinking like that, then they are Ichode Pakano. Before time they like no understand properly and they become right. Unripe fruit. No. Ichode Paka means unripe fruit, means before time unripe. This is called Ichode Paka. And Sahajiyas. Because this way we cannot make our line 4 or 5 parties. Sakras, 1 party, Basaras, 1 party, Dasras, 1 party go separate. Like Sri Sampradayas and is no Ramanandi Sampradayas, they're all Rasas Upasak, but they're not dividing. Oh, you love Ramchandra Basaras, go out. I love Ramchandra Dasras, I love Ramchandra Sakras, so all separate. No, they one pointed. Any acharya, any Rasas acharya, they take shelter. Like Brahmaji, our Guru, his mercy to Basalras, Dronadharas, they are worshipping to Brahma. And when Brahma manifests, then they ask, I want the mother, father of Krishna. We want the mother, father of Krishna. Brahma, when he giving mercy, okay. But this Dronadharas, original mother, father, Nand Baba Jasoda mother, enter in Pragat Leela, testing that ras. And after Golok Vrindavan, they separately that bodies. So any gurus, any rasas can nourishment. But they can be anugatya. So Rupa Goswami relates all rasas. So every rasas here in Pragat Leela is no Rupanu. But when you go to Pragat Leela, that time Jogmaya automatically according to your mood separate. Because a Pragat Leela where Rup Manjari what they were doing, that is transcendental world. Tambul, Arpan, Pada, Mardan, Payodana, Visara, Devi. This Keli Bhumisu. This is Keli Bhumisu, eternal Leelas. There even Lalita Visakha sometimes hesitate not go that much deep service what they are doing. They feel little hesitation. That is one thing. That is a special thing. But here for sadhak, no divide like that. They are give to every opportunity. All should follow pride to I am Rupanu. Any ras, we are Rupanu, but this will be Rupanu. When see this, then it goes up. This Rupa Goswami two things telling Seva Sadhak Rupena. When Sadhak Rup, that can respect and follow acharyas and take your mood. One acharya can, especially who are Madhuras acharyas, they nourish all rasas, no problem for them. Or if some acharyas low rasas or his disciple higher rasas, then he send to another place to his disciple. No problem. Like sometimes Raghunath Das Goswami is Raghunath Das Baba in Jayadharma. When Jai Vijay want to go Jagannath Puri, then said he should visit to Gopal Guru Goswami. And more thing you hear from him. Because his Jagat Gurus, after departure Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sarup Damodar, all instructions Mahaprabhu, all Tattva Siddhanta, what Mahaprabhu keeping Sarup Damodar, this all thing now carrying Gopal Guru Goswami. So there more you learn of Siddhanta things. But both Rasa's disciples are learning from. So this way they are Rupani. Because this all Siddhantas Rupa Goswamis they came. So this very reconciled because all our Guru Bhargava telling like that. So Rupa Goswami is all mood telling and when he's describing to Radhika Sabha, their Rupa Goswami is so much absorbed because this is his personal mood. But this thing Mahaprabhu want to taste or know. So saying Radha Priyan Vidhur Jayati, that Krishna's all glories when he so much love to Radha. That time Krishna can realize what is prem. Can hear, can understand. Rai Ramanand, when so to Rupa Goswami, Sarup Damodar when so to Rupa Goswami, before that Mahaprabhu's Nitan Puru, Advaitacharya Puru, and all these parikars saying glories of Rupa Goswami. Do you know my Rupa is something describing. I one day went to his bhajan kuti and I saw his writing some natak, some dramas. And he's something writing and I just took one paper and asking what you were writing. And when I saw his paper, written is like, pearl. So perfect means like more than accurate than computer, very accurate letters. And then Mahaprabhu looking this letter and glorifying, oh, your letter is not letter, this is pearl, muktare pati, line of pearl is like making some garland, some painting, so sweet, so nice. So whose writings like that time, then what writing this thing, how much beautiful. Then Mahaprabhu absorbed, just letter is so much attractive. When reading, then first a sloka, his eyes came, tunde dan winning, rating bitunate tundavali labdhe. Karna karoda kadambani ghatayate karna burde dhaispiham. Cheta prangan sangani vijayate sarvindryanam kritim. No jane janita kiyad vir milta krishneti varna. Mahaprabhu's heart and mind start to dancing. What? This bhava of Radhika's. This is the Purva Rags. When just she heard Krishna's one name, or that time this situation created. Then Mahaprabhu thinking Purva Rag this type, then this prem on go to last stage, more rising, then what happened? Many questions, many more. Okay, what is more, what is more? Just first is like this, then after what more. Then Mahaprabhu just that later took that sloka and saying, we like to look his all things, what he did. But we like all together look. All expert sitting and see his poet and his how much perfect. What he did. Because by one we can understand. Just one rice, touching you can understand cook or not cook. So by that can understand what Rupa Goswami can write, what he did. So this sloka Mahaprabhu saw to Haridas Thakur. And he started dancing. His namacharya, so much tasty to Nam. But Rupa Goswami is what writing about Nam? He start to crying, dancing, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. And he's saying, I so much heard glories of name, many Puranas, many places, many devotees, many way they writing Krishna name, Madhur Metan Mangla Mangla Nam Sakal Nikam Phali, Aho Bato Sabato Kariyan Jati Vagre Bhartate Nama Kutya. Many glories of Harinam, written many acharyas, testing, but like this, first time my life will look. Tunde tan winning ratimati tunati tunda karna karoda kadambani katai. So when Mahaprabhu took this thing and so to Rai Ramana Sarup Damodar and saying to Rup, you tell everything, what you did. He so hesitation saying,
हमको सुनो सुनो।
So, Rai Ramanand Prabhu, who is also writing Natak, very expert, Sarup Damodar, very expert to poet. So Rai Raman asked, "Oh, do tell me, show me how prem is starting, what cause, which way prem is started, no cause of prema, how it started." राय कहीं कहा देखी प्रेम उत्पत्ति कारण पूर्वराग विकार चेष्टा काम लिखन. Then Rupa Goswami start to one telling how we start this premas. Prem utpatti karan. Then they are saying prema utpatti is no cause. Just hearing some Hari Naam, no start. No looking who is this person. Just Krishna. Just hearing flute sound. Just looking picture. Don't know his background. In picture look very beautiful, but backside what doing, how many stealing, how many killing, how many asuras, this thing don't know. Flute nice playing, but this type hunter also playing, but Katha. So just hearing name, no, and no looking his character, on start to love. So prem utpatti is no any cause, no, just automatically start. No search, just hearing Krishna name and start praying. This type prem never heard, just heard some person good name or love, not. It's so much search. But here rather than just hearing name, love to that person. एक सश्रुतमेव लुम्पति मति कृष्णेति नामाचरम सांद्रोन्माद परस्पर पुनः वंशीकरण ऐसा घना दुति लग्न पटे विचनाथ कष्टं धीक पुरुषरति भुण्य मरने में. So this all kathas, maybe I will speak after 20 minutes because now Jhula Sarth is next Sundays. So we just here stopping, giving rest this kathas because now Jhula time have to swing Thakuris. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Lord Devanandi. Yes.